Apple literally robs you every time you buy an Apple product. I mean, come on, $3,500 for an iPhone for your eyes, the iPhone, and we keep buying them. I mean, we're like cats that make the same stupid mistakes over and over again. The last time I can remember Apple being innovative was literally the iPhone 12 with MagSafe. And that's just a new way to charge your phone. This is why Apple only has an illusion of innovation. Apple only gained relevance because they changed the world with the release of the iPhone in 2007. I was born that year, and since then their will for innovation has been declining. Let's take the revolutionary and groundbreaking iPhone 16 for example. The brand new iPhone 16 now has a slightly better chip, and you can absolutely feel no difference. We still use the groundbreaking 60Hz technology because it's groundbreaking. Did I mention it's groundbreaking? You can also create these groundbreaking emojis that totally will not bring you nightmares. Where's the Apple that takes risks? Where's the Apple that didn't copy everything from Android? Where's the Apple that is worth its price? Apple is now known for making good enough products that get slower due to software updates each year. Apple deliberately plans the replacement of their products. I know, this issue is way more common in Android phones. But in 2017, Apple admitted to deliberately slowing down older iPhone models through software updates, claiming it was to prevent unexpected shutdowns due to aging batteries.
And today, Apple actually admitted, yes, it is slowing down those old phones, but not for the reason that people suspected.
Stop the cap!
Even though Android phones have much worse performances when they age, I think Apple still slows down the phones because they just want to make more and more and more money with their groundbreaking products. Speaking of making more money, there's also another way how Apple legally robs you: the Apple tax. Our culture made Apple cool or trendy in some way. That's why people pay more for their products. This extra money Apple gets by being cool is called the Apple tax. And I kind of get why people sign up for this. Apple has a much better quality compared to their competitors. But I'm still not paying $3,500 for this headset. There are some people on this earth that are buying each and every year a new iPhone. I mean, they have to be retarded or something. It's like a free donation box for Apple. It doesn't matter what they do, people will buy it because it has the name Apple on it. And they will buy it because they're trapped in the ecosystem trap. The Apple ecosystem is a network of connected Apple devices and services designed to work seamlessly together. For example, you take a photo on an iPhone and it instantly syncs it to an iPad and MacBook via iCloud. And it's kind of chill if you're within the ecosystem. I have an iPad, a MacBook, an iPhone, AirPods, an Apple Watch and a HomePod. And it works so well together that it feels like a trap of comfort. Because if I would like to switch to Android, a lot of the functionality of some products would get lost. So Apple traps you because they did such a great job. Apple doesn't need to innovate. Apple needs just you to keep buying. With overpriced products, planned replacement and the ecosystem trap, they've turned loyalty into a wallet draining habit. It's like a toxic relationship. They give you just enough to stay, but never enough to be truly happy. Like and subscribe so I can buy the new iPhone 16. Thank you.